Recently, I had a short audience with His Holiness, and I reported to him what I've been doing for the last 1 year. For the first time, I just felt he has age, he's 90 now. And I just felt now, more than ever, we should soldier responsibilities, you know. And then he always said that, don't rely on me, you know, you have to take responsibilities. But this time I really felt very strongly.
Yes.
And I've had many encounters. He used to say, Lobsang, I live very long. Why? Because Tibetans in Tibet, when they hear that Dalai Lama is still alive, even though I might be very old, I might not be able to do much, just my existence will give hope to Tibetans in Tibet and keep the hope alive.
Yes.
And he has shown the path. He literally, physically traveled to
Yeah.
so many countries.
Mm.
And sometimes I've had the fortune of riding him in the car after major events, right? He comes out and I'm in the car and he comes out. And as he comes out, and he's very, he's smiling, and if someone meets with him and he just pats them and encourage them. When someone, obviously we have many problems to share with him, right? All the troubles, and he encourages them. But as he enters the car, and I've on few occasions I've seen him, he says, "Tachesta, I know, I'm really tired today." But till he enters the door of the car, he will not show it. And then he sits in the car and he takes out his beads and then he starts mantra, you know. Just keeps quiet for 10-15 minutes of the ride. And then when he actually he catches a breath, then he starts talking to you. When I've seen him so close, working so hard from morning till evening, 2 major events, 10, 20, 100 audience a day. No, he has really worked hard.
Yeah.
Of course, he has given all the advice, but physically, manually, the hard work that he has, provided for the Tibetan cause is something we all should learn. So yes, I think time has come. Now, Tibetan people, every ordinary Tibetan people should shoulder responsibilities on Tibet and move forward.